Hi, this is Mark Graben from KaiNexus. Welcome to the KaiNexus Continuous Improvement Podcast. Today, I am reading a blog post written by Danielle Yoon. It's titled 6 Steps to Continuous Improvement in Automotive Manufacturing. If you want a link to the blog post, look in the show notes. Manufacturers in the automotive sector face significant pressures today, from rising material costs and supply chain disruptions to the demand for faster production times and stricter regulatory requirements. Achieving continuous quality improvement, or CQI, remains critical, as it not only enhances product consistency and drives compliance, but also helps manufacturers stay competitive in a market that's constantly evolving. Fortunately, continuous improvement has a long history in automotive manufacturing. Many of the tools and techniques widely used by organizations worldwide were explicitly developed to ensure the quality and efficiency of automotive manufacturing. Toyota was a pioneer of many of the CQI approaches used today. But whether you use language like CQI, TQM, Lean, TPS, or Lean Six Sigma, these approaches described here still apply. As you can imagine, the benefits of a successful continuous improvement program are significant, including product consistency, compliance with standards, process efficiency, and maximum resource utilization. So let's dig into each of those. Product consistency. It's essential that all automotive products that make it off the manufacturing line are fully operational. Also, the capabilities of each part produced need to match the needs of end users. So an effective quality program introduces proactive solutions to eliminate the delivery of defective or unnecessary parts and products. Problems are identified quickly and immediately resolved well before the products leave the manufacturing line. Consistency is possible when decisions are made based on real-time data rather than guesses. Compliance with standards. Automotive manufacturers must comply with the standards set by the International Organization for Standardization, or ISO. Manufacturing plants are certified only once all of the conditions are met. The standards ensure the quality, safety, and efficiency of the products produced. In addition, ISO requires continued training and development programs for staff, enhancing their ability to participate in the effort to ensure every product meets the standards and customers' needs. Process efficiency. With continuous improvement tools in place, producers can deliver products to customers more quickly. Quality improvement processes mitigate issues that can lead to time-consuming delays in the delivery of the parts. And maximum resource utilization. Continuous quality improvement is essential for the automotive manufacturing industry because it allows for resource effectiveness in terms of time and people, significantly reducing manufacturing costs. Quality problems can lead to the waste of raw materials, production downtime, and expensive product recalls. Of course, we have to make sure that resource utilization doesn't lead to overproduction. For these reasons, the case for a structured approach to continuous improvement in automotive manufacturing is compelling. But how can we get there? We want to share 6 simple steps that any manufacturing organization, automotive or otherwise, any auto manufacturing organization can implement. And you can also find these 6 steps to continuous improvement in automotive manufacturing as a really attractive graphic. If you want to go to the blog post and view that or download it or share it, again, you can find a link to that in the show notes. So what are these 6 steps? 1, adopt a team mindset. 2, define value from the customer's point of view. 3, develop a common understanding of the cost of quality. 4, solve problems completely. 5, practice strong process discipline. And 6, leverage improvement management technology. So let's dig into each of those 6. 1, adopt a team mindset. Quality and efficiency won't be sustainably improved by individuals just working on their own. To implement lasting and meaningful change in manufacturing processes, a team-based approach is required. By involving multiple functional areas in the search for improved quality, you get various perspectives and areas of expertise. It's also essential to understand the history of the process. Understanding why the process is the way it is today is an important first step to uncovering improvement opportunities. leaders should always include process operators, the frontline staff and team, in discussions about positive change. 2, define value from the customer's point of view. It's common for automotive manufacturers to try to make a product better without really understanding what better means to the customer. By increasing cost, producers can almost always add benefits, features, or functions to a product, but the additional costs might not be worth it to the customer. As part of your continuous improvement program, someone should always serve as an advocate for the customer, or better yet, get input directly from your customers. 3, develop a common understanding of the cost of quality. The cost to fix a product defect once it reaches a customer is so much higher than the cost to fix the problems caused before the product is built to begin with. Automotive manufacturing staff must be trained to understand the cost factors involved with warranty repairs or replacements and the cost of a damaged reputation. Once every team member applies this perspective, a desire to find the root cause for problems, that kind of problem solving, it becomes second nature. 4, solve problems completely. All too often, manufacturing quality improvements target the symptoms of process failures rather than the root causes. This usually takes the form of adding quality inspection steps or rework stations that make it easier to find or fix defects. Instead, we have to develop within teams the desire to find root causes. When teams develop this ability, often through 5 why analysis and other kind of proven improvement methods, when they learn to do this, to uncover the root cause of defects and have a test that verifies the capacity, to turn on and turn off the problem. If I was always taught, this is Mark interjecting here, when you found the root cause countermeasure, turning the countermeasure off means the problem or the bad effect comes back. Turning the countermeasure back on, if it goes away, okay, well now we don't just think we found root cause, we can say we certainly have proven that we have. So we want to find precise solutions or countermeasures to problems that will be implemented in a way that ensures our problem does not return. So 5, practice strong process discipline. Throughout the quality improvement process, teams must practice strong process discipline. Depending on the product, deviating from standard work without a structured improvement cycle can have serious quality repercussions. While the organization should avoid the unnecessary bureaucracy that inhibits innovation, some structure has to be there. It's got to be employed to maintain consistency. And 6, leverage improvement management technology. One essential tool for structured improvement in the automotive industry or anywhere is continuous improvement software like KaiNexus. With the right platform in place, employees can report opportunities for improvement, manage projects to improve efficiency, reduce waste, and measure the impact of change over time. In addition, the software becomes a home for standard work supporting data and the spread of institutional knowledge. With all of the relevant information about past improvement work in one easily accessible online platform, everyone gets better at making good decisions faster. And on that note, we invite you to come to the blog post and download a free ebook called An Introduction to Continuous Improvement Software. Again, you can find a link to the blog post in the show notes. So to wrap up, by following these 6 steps, automotive manufacturing leaders can develop effective quality improvement programs within their organizations and reap substantial benefits. So on behalf of the entire team at KaiNexus, thank you for listening. This has been Mark Graben, a senior advisor with KaiNexus. I invite you to come learn more about what we do and the problems we solve and how we help our customers by visiting our website at www.kainexus.com.